An amazing new way to make a ton of money online. Now, I've been doing this for a significant period of time, and I have to tell you, it is awesome. I've been doing this for about a month, and I can't stop raving about it. I am in absolute love with this new way of making money. I mean, it's been around for quite some time, but I didn't really hear of it until about 1 month ago. I used this method for about a week, and I lost a decent amount of money using it. But right before I was about to give up, I was talking to a friend, and he kind of told me what he did to be successful in it. And I tried it out, and I was able to turn everything around. So basically what this is binary options. It's an up or down bet based on the United States, Britain, basically it's something dealing with the stock market, and you bet up or down on whether or not it's going to go up. I have no background in the stock market, and I have no idea about most of what happens in the real market. But what I do know is how to play the system on binary options and how to make quite a bit of money. And I've actually gone through the process of explaining this to a few of my friends, and they've been able to go through the process of making a significant amount of money as well. And I liked their reactions, and I liked how much money they were starting to make. So much that I went ahead and I wrote a guide explaining it completely free of charge to you guys, and that can be found down in the description below. It's just a website. It's my website. You can go ahead and click on it. The guide's completely free. You don't have to sign up for anything. It's just there for you to look at. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and go through a few trades and show you guys kind of how the system works. And then we'll cut off the video, and in a week when all my positions are closed, go ahead and show you guys where I am at that point. So another really cool thing they added recently is the Bitcoin USD. I haven't seen any other binary options broker with it, and I really like that idea, and I really like Bitcoin. So first, when I look for a binary options trade, I look for something that has over 55% possibility of success, just because in binary options, since it's a all or nothing win and lose, you want to make sure that you stay ahead of the game and that you're winning more than you're losing. So I look for 55%. Some people can do lower, some people do higher. A lot of these, they do 55%. And that is really all I am looking for. So I think that Bitcoin is going to be, or that it's going to be higher at the 29th of April, and it's the 26th currently. I think that's a real possibility. Because of this massive drop, you could be seeing some correction over here. So I think that's a total possibility, and I like that idea. So I'm going to go ahead and put $500 into it. Now, before I do that, I want you guys to look up here. I have currently $8,596 in my account. I started with $250, lost it down to $100, and made that much in a month with that money. So if I can do it, I know nothing about the stock market. You guys can too. It's awesome, and it's in the description below how I did it and how you can game the system in the same way I have. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this trade and approve it. Now I can continue moving on and trading on multiple things. So the USD CAD isn't really my cup of tea right now because it looks like it's only 49.51. Euro USD is, but let's see if they have anything closing soon. They don't. Oh yes, they do. Here we go. They have one closing at the end of the month. So I think I'm going to go ahead and go with what the chart's saying at 59%, and I'm going to call it up at, let's say, 250 and apply. So I made those two trades. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn off the video. So one, I can go ahead and use my personal method, which can, I repeat, be found in the description below, and trade for the next week. Now I'm going to go ahead and shut off the video and come back in a week. But before I do that, I want to create a goal. I want to be up to $30,000 by the end of the week. I think I can make that much money. I think I can make 23 grand by the end within a week. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, but that's my goal. I'm going to work my ass off to do it. So $30,000 by the end of next week. That is the goal. That is what I'm telling you, and that is what I have on record. So I'm going to shut the video now, and I'm going to work. And I'm going to work hard and all the time to get to that goal. See you guys next week. Bye. Everybody, Jason again. It's been a week, and I'm disappointed in myself, in my ability, and my just overall thought process. Because I set a goal, and I can't believe I didn't hit the goal. So last week, when I first started the video, I was actually at 8,000. After my first couple trades, I was down to 7,000. But I set a goal for 30,000 by the end of the week, by today, and I wasn't able to hit that goal. Instead, I'm at 26,000 in my account, which is sad. I was really hoping to get it to that 30, but even with the disappointment not hitting my goal, I'm still pretty happy. I mean, I still made 300% in a week using the method that I have, like I said last week in the description. I still made almost $20,000 in a week. I don't know of a job that I could get that I could make almost $20,000 in a week. I don't know what I can even spend this money on. All I know now with this much cash, I mean, I live off of, all I need to live is like $30,000 a year. So once I take that out, which is going to be probably by the end of Monday, I have my expenses covered for the rest of the year. So what am I going to do with the rest? I'm probably just going to keep trading it, and I'm going to keep making money off of it. I mean, if I can make this and I can continue compounding this, the possibilities are endless. I could make so much money, and you can make so much money. I'm just speechless. I mean, granted, I'm disappointed I didn't hit that goal, but who the fuck cares, really? If I can make this much money, it doesn't matter where my eyes are set, as long as I can make what I want to make and do what I want to do and not have to worry about anything ever again. So I really stress you guys, before I get choked up, to check out the description, check out the website. I mean, you don't have to sign up for anything. You don't have to complete any surveys. It's just a guide that I wrote that you guys can just look at. Explaining how I did this and how you can too. I mean, cheating the system, making sure that your trades are going to be successful. I put it in text form, I put it in video form. It's all down there. Just click on the link and it's exclusively available to you guys. So before I get choked up, I'm gonna go. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you all the best, and I hope you make every single penny there is out there. I can't wait to see you all later. I can't wait to see where you go. I can't wait to see where I go. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you, and goodbye.